Let's start the derivation of Coulomb's law. First, we consider the 2-point charges. First point charge is Q1 and second point charge is Q2, and separation between them is R. And force is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge Q1 and the magnitude of charge Q2, and force inversely proportional to 1 by R square. Force is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. We replace the directly proportional sign by constant K. Here constant K is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon. So K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into epsilon R. Epsilon R is called relative permittivity. Relative permittivity 1 by 4 pi epsilon. If relative permittivity is equal to 1, then we consider 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. So here force will be F is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. Now we see the medium. In medium, F of medium is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So here we divide F of vacuum, force of vacuum, and force of medium. So we divide F of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square divided by 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q1 Q2 by R square. Here 1 over 4 pi epsilon 1 over 4 pi 1 over 4 pi will cancel. Q1 Q2 by R square, Q1 Q2 by R square cancel. Here we left the value of E epsilon by epsilon naught. That is called epsilon is called permittivity of free medium, and E naught is called absolute permittivity of the medium. So E by E naught is equal to K, or K also we called ER, means relative permeability, or also it is called the dielectric constant. The ratio of E by E naught is called dielectric constant.